fraud prevention is something which cannot be done by machines alone, right? So you have to have humans in the loop, which are prior fraud fighters, etc. So what we offer is when you hire Sardine as an API for fraud prevention, we also give you a team of professional fraud fighters, right? Who then are constantly looking at your traffic, looking at your payments, looking at your KYC data, and they are staying on top of it and then creating new rules for you or passing the feedback back to our machine learning team to update our machine learning models, right? So there's constant feedback loop via that process. Secondly, everyone who integrates Sardine, we ask them to pass us feedback data, which in this case really just means chargebacks or ACH return data, so that we can consistently keep learning. And thirdly, the most important thing in fraud prevention is to have all the data in place in case you get hit by fraud. Then you can go and look at what happened and see if you could have caught that fraud attack using the data. What we offer to our customers is a behavior biometrics / device intelligence SDK, both in web as well as mobile, where it looks at how you type, swipe, scroll, how you move the mouse, how you hold the phone in. It also fingerprints the browser, fingerprints the device, and all of the data is gathered transparently in the background in a privacy-preserving way, so that whenever there's a fraud attack, you can go back and look at it, right? And these are all intrinsic behavior features. These are features that the fraudster will not even be aware that we are actually collecting about them. And the key word here is intrinsic, because no matter what a fraudster does, they will never change their intrinsic behavior. If they have a bunch of stolen credit cards, they're gonna context switch and copy paste them, right? So that's how we catch them.